I'm going to replace the garage door remote with a keypad entry. Now, the advantage of having a keypad entry for the garage is in case your car gets broken into, the suspect won't be able to enter your garage without knowing your garage door code. And also, this keypad entry support up to 3 garage door openers. Now, to reset the keypad to factory default, push the 2 buttons until the LED flashes. Now, enter your PIN. For the demo, I'm going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, and followed by the up-down arrow. Now, you see it flashes, and I'm going to enter the manufacturer ID for Genie brand garage door. I'm going to enter 1, and then the up-down arrow. Now you see the LED begin to flash. Now locate the program button on your garage door lift. We're going to push the learn button or program button on the motor until we see the green light and flashing purple light. And now push the up down every 2 seconds. And you see it's now programmed. Now let's test the range. I'm all the way by the street. Enter the code. You can see the range is sufficient to operate all the way on the street. Thanks for watching.